So ThinkCar sent me the 689BT to test out, and after using it, here's what stood out. First off, yeah, it reads and clears codes, but this thing goes way beyond that. It does full system scans, meaning it talks to everything, not just the check engine light. I mean, look at all the modules it communicates with my Ford. The subscription smooth, the layout simple, and here's the best part, free lifetime updates, no subscription fees, ever. This scanner also has bi-directional controls, so you can turn on specific components directly from the tablet. For example, I turned the radiator fan on high right from the screen. This is nice because it helps you quickly confirm if a part is working without taking anything apart or guessing. It also comes with over 34 service functions like air-fuel ratio reset, ABS bleeding, DPF regen, injector coding, and TPMS resets, all built in. Super useful if you're doing your own maintenance or working on customer cars. For certain cars like Ford, it even supports PMI, Programmable Module Installation. So if you swap a module, it helps you program it step by step. So here's the bottom line. If you're just doing quick check engine light reads, a $25 scanner is still a great tool. But if you want to do deeper diagnostics, test components, code modules, the 689BT gives you a lot of power without dealership level pricing. It's not perfect, but for the price, it's probably one of the most complete tools I've used. Now if you're interested in the scanner, I'll leave it linked in the description below. I appreciate you all for watching this video. If you gained value, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.